talking. Is that a fun word?
Hip hooray, hip hooray. Here we are once again. Now, Mia.
Cat.
Once a cat. That's what it is. It's hip hooray, hip hooray. Here we are once a cat, right?
I say
You dropped your quarter. Now, Mia, I just came back. I was working, right? And I ordered some things for you to check out. Can you please sit down so we can go through these?
I want to sit on my knees because I'm not tall enough.
Okay, that's fine. So we ordered some stuff from CarPro.
What is CarPro?
It's a company. So we're gonna go through this stuff first.
And what is that package?
That's from Aenso.
And so,
Yep.
is that how we get our product? What is that product?
So this one right here is called
Is it dangerous?
Squash from Oberk.
Is it dangerous?
This is an air freshener. So this is smell goods. You wanna smell it? Okay, I'm gonna spray it. Close your eyes. All right, smell. You smell it?
It smells like lavender.
It smells like what? Lavender? I don't know, but it does smell really good, doesn't it? Let's see. Yeah, we like this.
It gets a happy face.
All right, Oberk squash gets a happy face. Go Oberk. All right, what else do we have?
This is where the good team.
This is Dark Side from CarPro.
What is that?
Oh, this is, I have to open it. Hold on. We'll use this pen right here.
Can you use the pen that I draw with?
Yes. So this is Dark Side. I wanted to get this because I was talking to somebody and they said they used it and it didn't work very well for them. So I wanted to try this. This is a tire and rubber
Do you
sealant.
smell
Yeah, we can smell.
it? It gets a happy face.
It gets, well, we have to test it out before it gets a happy face. But you like the smell? Okay, so smell test,
What is
happy
this
face.
one? What is this one?
Hold on.
The blue one.
This one? This is a keychain.
Okay.
Yeah, we got a keychain for you. So this is cquartz,
What is
which
this?
is a ceramic coating.
We haven't used this one.
No, we haven't used that one. I've used it before.
It's a mini version. Look
Yes,
at
it's a
that.
mini version. So then we have lift, which is a pre-wash. It's a snow foam.
Snow foam.
Yes, so we can get lots of bubbles when we wash.
Oh, let me use my bubble maker.
Oh, we could put it in your bubble maker and see if it can get lots of bubbles. Would that be fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should do that.
Where is my bubble maker?
It's over there. We'll get it out. But here you go. You want to smell it? No, it doesn't. It just smells like straight soap.
It's so big.
Yeah. But we'll put that here. So lift from CarPro.
Get a happy face.
And then
It's a little bigger from this one.
this is a single air freshener. It kind of feels like it leaked. But we'll open it and smell it. This
It made
is
a family.
patchouli scent.
Patchouli? What's patchouli?
Smell it?
It's a air freshener.
Yeah, do you like it?
Okay.
So it has the CarPro. Be careful, hold it by the string, okay?
Why?
So because it has like the air freshener on it. So hold it by the string. Right there. No. Right there. Okay, smell it. Don't put it on your face. All right, so you like it? Does this one smell as good as this one? Which is better? This one or this one? This one?
This
Like that.
one makes bubbles and tea. It made a family.
Okay. So then
That one
also.
doesn't go with the family. It goes with these ones.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. So then we got a couple other things, okay? Now first, we got some stickers. We got Aenso stickers.
It's
And we'll put these on in just a minute. But we got a couple things here. Now,
that goes with this one too.
this one is an air freshener.
Why does it have a cap?
Why does it have a cap?
Where is it?
This one is called Smell Like Gleam.
It's good.
It's good. You like it?
And it's a teeny bit strong, but that's okay.
It's a teeny bit strong, but that's okay?
It's happy.
It gets a happy face? Okay. Then we got Orbit tire dressing.
No?
This is a tire shine right here. Okay. This one doesn't really have a strong smell.
It's good.
You like it?
Happy face.
Well, we're gonna test it out. We're gonna see if it makes the tire shiny. Okay.
We used that one.
Yeah, we used that one. But then we have
It's way better.
Modesta M4 smoke. Now something was leaking because it's everywhere. I don't know if it was this one or not, but something was leaking. We'll open it though. It's got a piece of tape on it, so hold on. Okay. You want to smell it? It doesn't really smell like anything. It's good? Okay. Now this is Modesta M4 smoke. This is a. You don't like it?
No, it goes on your side.
Okay. This is a wet application conditioner. So basically,
It goes up to the top. There's this hair here.
use it like a drying aid. It should work. Oh, no, so you spray it on and then rinse it off. So you let it sit on for about 2 minutes or so, and then you rinse it off. It's going to be fun to try. We'll try the Modesta M4 Smoke. Ceramic coatings, they are amazing. So, we got some new products to try out. Are you excited? All right, so we're going to try out these products, and we'll make some videos. But you want to say bye to everybody?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Caddy.
Bye, Caddy.